Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make cabbage, and this is one fish head fried up. I have fried it up. This is the fish head which I have fried, and the cabbage I am going to mix and make one curry of it, which is called ghonto. I have taken tomatoes cut up, one green chili, this is ginger garlic paste, and this is rye and dhania paste, 1 spoon chili powder, some turmeric, salt to taste, and some mustard oil. So come on, let us start the recipe. Put some mustard oil. I have taken some mohri. This I will put in. This green chili I have taken. I have slitted the green chili. I will put this in also. Put in the ginger garlic paste. Put in the dhania and rye paste. Put some turmeric. Put 1 spoon chili powder. Let the masala fry a bit little. Put in the cut up tomatoes. Masala and the tomatoes gone brown. Now put in the cabbage. This fish head, I will mash it into pieces like this, this type. This type, and I will put this in also. Put the salt to taste. The cabbage will leave water, but I'll still mix little more water. Little bit, not much. Now I will put in some coriander leaves. Cover it up till the water dries. The water is dried up. and my bandhakobi আর মাছের মুড়োর ঘন্ট. In Bengal, this is how it's called. So this curry of mine, this ghanto of mine is ready to be eaten. How lovely, delicious. You can see it. Thank you for watching my video.